Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Thank you as always, Garni. I would have been late if it weren't for you.
You're welcome.
Look out!
Thanks for the help, Corporal.
Anything for one of Pop's mates. Get out of here!
Roy?
Yeah, we should go now!
All right.
Hey, kid, you all right?
I don't know, Mac.
The assault on Convoy.
I gotta get above the storm.
Not too public. If the press find you, they will be like many, many bugs on you.
Kid's just trying to be a hero, huh? Well, what do you think of this?
I'm about to commit a moving violation!
In full throttle. Nod to the shooter when you're set.
Go win it for the wrenches, Dusty. Polo.
lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac,
Left a piston cup. You know then?
this grumpy old race car I know once told me something.
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Quinn, is everything okay?
If you're worried about your fuel, man, don't. It's perfectly safe.
Number 95, Lightning McQueen.
Good job. Thank you so
Ven, tractorcito. Ven aquí. Sí, qué gran tractor. No, 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 no. Ven acá.
What's that? Huh, there we go. Somebody's interrupting genius.
Made Dinoco proud. Thank you, King.
Well, Tex, you've been good to me all these years. It's the least I could.
Troublesome trucks don't get to the docks on time. But he would be very...
Esos no son faros. Son tubos de escape.
Sunday drive. That was one lap racing his 500 of those. Everybody fighting to move up lap after.
Well, who is it? Has anyone seen the photo yet?
Nope, not yet. The American is here tonight.
Exhibition of speed. That is the worst motor ever made. Wait, that oil filter, those wheels.
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz del oeste.
Look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will...
Stay with me. And Flo, what'll happen if no one can come to your station to buy gas?
I'll go out of business and...